Fix in 5. P0631. VIN not programmed or incompatible. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, transmission control module not communicating correctly, possible transmission performance issues, VIN mismatch detected in TCM memory. Now the most likely causes. VIN not programmed into TCM. VIN incompatible with TCM configuration. Incorrect TCM installed for vehicle. TCM programming error or corruption. Electrical connection issue to TCM. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or €120 to €200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Reprogram VIN into TCM using diagnostic scanner. Verify VIN matches vehicle documentation. Check TCM compatibility with vehicle year, model. Replace TCM if programming cannot be corrected. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0631? Short trips may be possible with P0631 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0631. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.